What's up, herd? Here is your Monday market update. To all those in the States, I want to say happy Memorial Day. I hope you're touching grass and enjoying the holiday weekend. Hang out with some family, but also enjoy what's going on in the crypto space because we're doing great so far, guys. Let's get into the charts here. Bitcoin is consolidating currently after breaking out from this bull flag, guys. I do think it has some upward momentum, especially with the ETH ETF news. I think this could continue to build on the market. I don't expect Bitcoin to have such an explosive move as maybe this move anytime in the near future, as I do think it's ETH's turn to shine. ETH is up 2.55% this morning. I do think this continuation will happen throughout this week, guys, especially with the news that we got. I think there's some catch up to be had with the SEC announcement coming very, very last minute, guys. I think there's a lot of pressure built up on the Ethereum price, guys. This was a very long consolidation, and I don't think the market was really ready for this decision. So I do think we could be seeing back to all-time highs here. All-time highs for Ethereum is around $4,900. And I think that could come relatively quickly, maybe in the next couple of weeks. And then a little consolidation before we head to new all-time highs, guys, similar to what we saw with Bitcoin. Now, BNB is still in this massive, massive bull flag, guys. I do expect this to break out at some point. Not sure when this is going to happen, but if Ethereum goes, I think BNB will go also, as they are so intertwined with their BRC20, ERC20, BNB being a fork of Ethereum and highly used by most of Asia, guys, and a lot of the world as well. So I do think there's some upward momentum ready to pop for BNB. Solana is coming back up after bottoming on the EMA here, guys. I do expect this to continue. Though money flow is running out, I do think it's starting to get a little bit low and should start continuing back to the upside. And similar with the trend exhaustion, guys, I think we've exhausted this trend and should be heading up as we go into this next week. Elephant money sitting at near lows, unfortunately. I do expect this to hold near 15 cents per million at the very lowest, guys, and I do believe that BT has said something fairly similar with that. We did have two Savannah House votes that affect the price of Elephant, and one of them did pass on Friday, guys. We will be sending $500,000 worth of liquidity to the trunk wrapped BNB pool on the Binance Smart Chain. And then currently we do have another vote going on for Savannah House in regards to $2 million coming out of the treasury for Elephant and going to the Solana chain, both of which will certainly pump the price of trunk, and it has been happening already. Now, I do think that this happened before the announcements. So I do think this is just a continuation of the trunk pump, guys. I do expect this to get to 50 cents this week as BT starts to buy for the Binance Smart Chain liquidity that was added due to the passing of the Savannah House vote. But then if the second Savannah House vote goes, $2 million coming out of the treasury to pump the trunk price, guys. I do think $1 could be in the cards very, very soon if that vote goes through. And let's go ahead and look at that vote. All right, so this looks to be a landslide, guys. We've got 11 hours and 15 minutes left of this vote, and 94% of the voters have voted in favor of adding 2 million in locked liquidity across Trunk USDC and Trunk Sol on the Solana chain. So I do think BT is going to be on a feeding frenzy of Trunk with some additional funds from Bertha, guys. And this will certainly pump the Trunk price, as half of that $2 million will be going to buying Trunk and the other half buying USDC and Sol. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Not financial advice, guys, but make sure to grab a bag of Trunk before the price continues to moon. We've already seen 120% in the last week, and we could see price discovery for Trunk above $1 in June. Let's go. Have a great week. God bless.